Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. With the trending video on my channel in regards to Paint 3D, I'm going to train you on another interesting aspect today of Paint 3D, in which you people can transform 2D images to 3D images. And before I start off with the tutorial, I would request you, those viewers who are watching my channel for the first time, to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center and stay tuned to channel uploads. So let's start over, people. So in order to convert a 2D image to a 3D image, first of all you people have to open or access Paint 3D tool, which is there in your Windows computer, Windows 10 computer. So the moment this tool is open, you people first of all have to paste an image over here which is 2D. So in case if that image is already saved in your computer, you people can upload it over here in this tool by clicking on this menu option, and then you can click on browse file and you can upload that image over here. Like at this moment I have uploaded the image of a dog. Now my main purpose is that I would like to convert this particular image of a dog, which is a 2D picture at this moment, which you people are seeing, to a 3D image. Now for that, what you people have to do is, first of all you have to click on this 3D shapes option and it will give you the doodle option. So these are the three doodle options which is there. So by default, because I have chosen my image which is a dog picture, but in case if you people have chosen any shape, then you will go with this doodle option, which is the one which is adjusting the depth. But I would go with this middle one option, which is the soft edge one, because I would like to make the dog a bit fluffy as well, so I would be going ahead with doodle option. So the moment you click on this doodle option, what exactly is going to happen is it will give you a pen which will ask you to mark the boundaries which you have to convert to a 3D image. So if I show you like this, so this is what is going to happen, and please be very careful while marking the boundaries. It should not be too much, to the white portion should not be covered too much, because initially you will be seeing a blueprint of this image that we people are trying to cut it out over here. So like this, what you people will be doing is you have to mark the boundaries of the image which you people want to convert into a 3D shape. So it's better advisable that when you people are moving your pen, like in case if you people are using a tablet and you're using a pen option for that, I would request you to please keep your pen a little bit inside the figure. It should not be too much outside the figure. Please ensure that white portion should not be covered too much. And why white portion should not be covered too much, that you people will be able to understand the moment I'm going to make this image and I would like to, you know convert it into a 3D image. So like this, you have to select the boundary of your image, and please be very cautious with it. So keep your pen a little bit inside only, it's better advisable. So in case if you people are using a desktop, then from the desktop, when you people are moving the mouse, please ensure that the mouse needs to be kept a bit inward. Like this, I can make this tail a little bit shorter, and then I will be meeting on exactly the same point from where I started, and that's like this. So now it is transforming the doodle, and you people can very well observe it over here. This is what has happened. So here at this moment it's only a blueprint which has come up. My 3D image is not yet ready. So what exactly I have to do is I have to copy the colors over here, but how exactly do we copy when we people, go ahead and convert a 2D image to a 3D image? That happens in a bit different way, and I would be showing you that way. So now this image is, people can see it that it's a 2D image, sorry, it's a 3D image, people. But any which ways, if your main intention is that you would like to increase its breadth, like this, you people can increase the breadth of your any animation which you people are using. So this is my current figure, and now the next step that I have to do is that exact coloring which is there in my 2D image, that needs to be replicated on a 3D image. So how exactly we people are going to do it is, for that you have to select this 2D image people like this. So you would be, you know, holding your mouse, left click your mouse and then just hold this image, and by then what you people will be doing is you will be going to this magic select. Either you will see the magic select option over here, or you people can go by magic select over here. Okay, so I will click on magic select. Okay, now what happens with magic select is it is automatically, you know, picking up the boundary. That is the main thing, that is the main color that I have to pick it up. But in any which ways, if your picture that you people have copied onto the paint 3D, it's not, you know, defining the boundary specifically while clicking on the magic select. You can always do that with the help of this pencil. You have to click on add and then you have to pencil out the entire boundary, and then I have to click on done. And once I will click on done people, the next thing that I have to do is I have to make this a sticker. Okay, so the moment the sticker option is there, now what exactly I have to do is this option, you know, the sticker. So you can see that my sticker is over here. Yeah, okay. Now once the sticker is there, I can bring my sticker. You have to drag that sticker over here. Okay, this, like this, and now you have to carefully adjust your sticker like this. And now you people will be able to understand why I was asking you that please ensure that the white portion, it needs to be, you know, copied in a very specific manner, so that the blue portion, it does not look too much. Okay, here, like this. Okay, and once that is done people, now what I need to do is I have to rotate this image of mine like this, and I have to shade the next, the other side of my dog as well. Now how you would be doing it is, again, you people have to go back to the sticker option. My sticker is already there, and what I would be doing is I need to flip my sticker. So I would be doing like this. Okay, and then I have to adjust it. And please ensure that you don't click on this option apply till the time you have made the necessary arrangement. Okay, now I will again click on my dog, and now you people can see that there is a bit of this option, this blue portion that I like to color it up. Now this blue portion, you can do it two ways actually. Either you can go ahead and you can copy the texture over here. Okay, alright, or else if you don't want to texture it out, then you people can go ahead and you can use the brush, and then you may color out this portion as well. So let's go ahead and do that people now. So I'm going to do it. So there are two ways of doing it is, one is you need to click on the stickers option, and can you see this texture option over here? So if you need a hairy texture, like in some case you are taking an animal like in this case and you would like to color it up, so it will happen this ways. So this is how I can make my dog hairy. So this is one way of doing it. Another, as I've already told you, that I can use the brush option as well. So for brush I need to go over here. Okay, this is my marker. I can select the color first of all, and then you need to carefully, this is the nose of the dog. Okay, and then the remaining portion was brown, which you people can go ahead and you people can color with the help of a marker like this. So either you can do it with the help of a marker, or there is a spray can option as well that I can use it. So the spray can option, you can go ahead and you can choose the color over here, but let's say there is a different color that you would like to add it. So in that particular situation, what exactly you would be doing is, let's say I go ahead and I pick up this color. Okay, so this is my spray can as an option that I'm doing it. Okay, so I can click on this color, and let's say that my color is a bit brown, so I can go about, and this is the color that I will choose it. Okay, it's done. So if you want to add a color over here, so that's your choice, people. I'm just telling you an option how the various things they can be added. Okay, so once that is done, I can rotate my dog like this. Okay, so wherever you will see that option which is not suiting, you can always go ahead and you can fill out the color. Okay, so I can even rotate my dog like this. So wherever I was finding the blue color, so there's, this is another way of, in case if you have not carefully selected the image, you can do it like this. And then I can go back to the sticker option. So like this, people, you can go about and you can adjust your image and you can color it out depending upon your need. Okay, so this is how you can go about and you can convert your 2D image to a 3D image altogether. And as I've already specified, during this entire process, please ensure the steps that I have made you understand how we need to convert a 2D image to a 3D image, how you people will be copying the sticker option, and how you people will be further proceeding ahead with that. So once again, for those viewers who are watching my channel for the first time, please quickly go ahead and subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way. In case of any questions or queries, you can always approach me on these three social medias: on Instagram on cherub.teaching.center, on Facebook, that is Cherub Teaching Center, and on Microsoft Team, which is Cherubians altogether. And the links of all these three social media is given in the description of the video. So thank you so much, people, for watching my today's video. Now go ahead and practice yourself and have a nice day ahead.